CS2 crashes on startup right when the Valve logo appears on screen, and you can't find any way to fix it so you can play the game. I made a whole video about this issue, covering various troubleshooting methods ranging from something simple like just rebooting the PC to reinstalling video drivers, removing or adding startup options like Vulkan, and making sure the game is actually using the correct dedicated GPU on a dual graphics laptop. However, there seems to be another silly thing that may cause this issue: AMD graphics cards, which are generally considered inferior to their NVIDIA counterparts in many regards. That said, the issue may also be present with NVIDIA and Intel GPUs, and it appears to be caused by putting your computer to sleep. There seems to be a bug either in AMD drivers or maybe Windows itself that occurs when the computer is sent to sleep, either manually or automatically after a certain period of inactivity. When you wake it up, for some reason the GPU becomes disabled. You may not even notice it, especially if the screen resolution does not change much. The only way to confirm this is to actively check something like Device Manager there. You may see that the graphics card is disabled even on a desktop computer with a single dedicated GPU and no active integrated graphics. I could somewhat understand why this might happen on a dual graphics laptop to save power or something, but apparently it can also happen on desktop PCs. Your display output and Windows desktop will still work normally, and regular programs may run fine. However, anything that requires hardware graphics acceleration, like a video game, will crash, and that is exactly what is happening here. So in this very specific scenario, what you need to do is open Device Manager. Right-click the disabled GPU and enable it, reboot the computer just in case, make sure the GPU is still enabled in Device Manager after reboot. Launch the game again. This is a very specific solution for a very specific situation that surprisingly many CS2 players seem to find themselves in.
I am the god of YouTube. Like, subscribe, jingle bells.